Hello friends, this is Zack's pronunciation. Let's pronounce the name of this animal, Macaque or Macaque. You will hear both pronunciations used, Macaque or Macaque. A macaque or macaque is a type of monkey found mainly in Asia and North Africa. They are old world monkeys, meaning they are more closely related to baboons and humans. Macaque or macaque. They are medium-sized monkeys, have short tails, some have very short or almost no tail. They are highly intelligent and social, live in groups called troops. Adaptable, can live in forests, mountains and even cities. They are omnivores, eat fruits, leaves, insects and sometimes small animals. Very curious and sometimes bold around humans. Known for strong social hierarchies within groups. Macaque or macaque. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe Zack's pronunciation for more pronunciation videos.